Hi, Rima, how are you?
I'm fine.
So, Simon, can you tell something about yourself?
Okay. First of all, thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Saima Sheikh. I have completed my graduation from Pune University. I have 30 years experience in software testing. In software testing, I have experience in manual testing. In manual testing, I'm perform a different type of testing like sanitary testing, smoke testing, system and functional testing, unit testing, and integration testing. And I also knowledge in API testing. For API testing, we are using a Postman tool, and for SQL, for database testing, we are using a SQL.
Okay.
And
So, yeah.
yes,
Yeah, it's fine.
okay. And in my project, we are following a agile methodology.
Okay, good. Right. And which is the API testing tool that you're using right now?
Postman.
Also, you're using. Okay, great. Right. So, can you tell me how would you test any API as a postman?
First of all, uh, we are using a Swagger. From Swagger, we get from developers API endpoints,
Okay.
body, payload body, and response time, uh, and type of methods.
Uh,
Then uh, we will send request in Postman and validate the response.
okay.
Yes.
So, how much time would you take to test an API? Let's say there's an API, or in which you have to test the different file tools. So, how much time would you take to test it?
For one API, we require 15 to 20 minutes to
Okay.
validate the response.
Okay. Which are the different test scenarios that you test for that API?
Different test scenarios like I'm not getting your answer question.
Okay. Okay. So, let's say you are asked to test an API endpoint. So,
Okay.
let me share the rest. Is this being visible to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say you're asked to test the API and handles final approach. So you are to the API network everything and you to test the file approach. So what would be your essence? Which are the test cases that or literally the test scenarios that you will cover while testing this?
Which are the test scenarios?
Are you using any AI tools to generate test cases?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So let's say if you get probably get also, but still from your end, how many tests which are the test scenarios that you guys the testing?
For upload file.
Yes. You're asked to test an API. You have an API that handles the file uploads.
First, first, you
Take a back 2 minutes. Can take and the computer's ready. Maybe you might take into consideration the file structure, the file size.
okay. Um, Scenario first, we will validate the uh, time required for upload the file.
Okay.
Uh, Next, then we will validate the uh, how much memory is required for file.
Okay.
Next, we will validate the uh, size of the file. Then we will validate here
Memory is an intention.
uh, and also we will validate here uh, that's it.
Okay. No problem. So the inspection is the last during the years every time. See,
Okay.
let's start with here. You'll test in the successful upload. So you can start with a direct file with JPG or PDF extension, and you can check 200 or 201, whatever the status is. Not smooth and proper. You can check with file support with file types. Right? For example, maybe say .exe, those things are not below. So you can expect the upload fee interesting that is 400 MB. Which is really in general just. Then you can check the decimals with respect to file size limits. When it's not really upload a file, you send the client the request within the allow size in a bit. You check the maximum allow size. You can check the file exceeding the maximum allow size as well. Read the see what is the response remaining. Then how about visit by what about the update file? Right? And how about if you get upload a file without authentication or with receipt authentication, that won't happen. Right? Next cases you can check the files with special titles, files with international vectors, right? So those things you need to check. Right. So that's how you will check the you come up with the scenarios for the file upload. Okay. Right. How would you ensure the security of the API secure testing?
Security.
Yeah. How would you perform API security testing? You just tell you the basic security checks that you would perform.
Mm. I, oh, okay. Here, assertion, sorry, authentication. Here we will provide a authentication.
Okay.
So, oh, then user should able to, oh, when yes, we will provide a authentications. Then our API should be safe.
Which is usually
Like whatever methods, get method, put method, patch method. Uh, Whenever we want to run the method, before run the method, we have to provide the authentication. Then only we can use the uh, then only user can use the API.
Okay. Warrants.
And uh,
Are you aware of the best validation?
as well,
Injection?
XQL injection.
Yeah. So what is it?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay, no problem. I'll tell you a few of the, see, these are a few of the basic checks that you can have. how do you what's this? I think you covered authentication, you did cover authorization as well. So let's say if on a regular user access any level endpoints or performations in each of our lottery, whereas the ability to contract places like with an EPA endpoint. That should not be allowed as a non-admin user. Okay. But you should not be allowed to if you start using a post for logic for Steam. That's a really important thing. SVG should follow right or accesses to a baby EA. And again, if it's user input below sanitization, this like each can't be allowed. Right? Then you have a proper asset management. Well, this certainly you have publicly available interaction. And that's again threat, that's again a vulnerability. Insufficient logging and audit rate. So if you're not planning testable with the intake logs, right, then you can check that the developers about the logging capabilities for the failed authentication or authorization in the suspicious activity. So anything that is related to suspicious, anything that is related to the authentication is not done, authorization is not done, but still you're able to access it. Still you're able to you have to raise a red flag there. Okay. Great. Right. So let's go to the next thing. Okay. What are the different environment variables you can see mostly?
Okay. Different environment.
Yeah.
Like QA environment or
Yeah.
dev environment.
So in it mostly you would have this global environment, global.
Global environment, local environment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between the two environments?
Here, tester will perform the API testing here.
Okay. What else?
And in global environment, all have access to perform API testing. Like global environment, all can access the API. That is, all are have access to API testing.
Okay. Right. Any ideas of difference that you can read both?
Um,
Okay, no worries. Do you tell me which are the different status source that you are facing while doing testing, while doing API testing?
Okay. First, successful response, 200. 200. Okay. When we succeeded the request, when we succeeded the get request, then we will receive the 200 status code. Next 201 created when we have succeeded the request and the resources added or resources created. That time we will receive the 201 status code. Next 200 204 not contain when unique request like delete request or put and patch request uh, will succeeded. That time we will receive the 204 not content. And 400 bad request uh, when invalid request is passed. That time we will receive the 400 bad request. And 401 authentications uh, unauthorized. 401 unauthorized when the invalid or invalid authorization will provide. That time we will receive a 401 unauthorized. Next 403 forbidden when the client don't have access for access for server. That time we will receive a 403 forbidden. And next 405 method is not allowed. When the server is known the method, but the but server is not able to page the method, that time we will receive the 405. Next, 500, 500 uh, internal external server error. When the server is handle abnormal situation, that time it's throw 500 status code. Service not available status code.
Right. So basically, you can answer this panel. See, we have about 200 series, 2x series, 3x series, 4x series, and 5x series. Okay. So 2x series is not 200.
Successful response.
Yeah. Yeah. 3x is related to if some resources move popularity or it is or there. If move popularity or it is found, right? Onyx is related to authority packet was one of the more unauthorized almost royalties. Error of the client's file. High case is related to the error of the server. Even from market server area finds in the service are available. So it is you answered the question by writing telling them to simplify these. So that because easier for the interview also working. This logic in that. So you're in Merkel, equal alcohol, so at diamond is an responsibility. Okay. Let's go with the next question now. Okay. How would you manage different environments? Like, air environment is there, human environment is there, stage environment is there, atmosphere. How will you manage these different environments, atmosphere? What will you?
Um, Different environments.
Yes. Because technically, let's say you have created what you result. You execute into a environment. Now you rather see that see it based into the stage also. Then it prepares the work for you.
People feel our night, they will fetch and that. Never thought they. That's send of life then.
To work into it, log in.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. I then you. Okay, this is the multi frame. With me. So, see, in this case, you must identify which are the common variables. The proper key element. For example, you have a language, you have UI log different. If you are already UI from it, you have username password, which is just for those respective environments. Right? So, create those variables. And then we just have to change those environments. We have to create a set of variables for their environment. Then create a set of variables for your environment. Let's do the program just change that environment to one reason the new variables will be reflecting there. With respect to post production. Right? So that's all you identify first which are the variables you can give and best. Okay. Great. Now Now let's say you are identifying an API role. Their endpoint is returning you a file fabric error. Okay, you find a specific valid input, but still you are getting file fabric error. So how would you document this bug in the poster?
Okay. My endpoint is right, but I.
You need file fabric error. You raise the error. Now,
Okay.
in frame bumping for you testing after the fix you have the 1 day to real 1 day. So how will we keep this data accuracy poster?
Well, first of all, for this endpoint, first of all, I will apply a assertion. For assertion, uh, here I will apply the status code. Status code fail. Status code is not match with the request. Then yes, first if status code is not matched, then the my request will be fail.
Right.
It for the fail test cases. Yes. Then I will raise this issue in a Azure Docs tool that the fail my like my response is fail.
Okay. That is more than assuming.
Then
How would you test other APIs?
next
So your other API flow should be configured, right? That should be configured. So what would you do in that case?
uh,
Let's say you're betting yes. Well, then you're 60 bet. In which this fee is like you're right better. Because the more you're betting request. So what would you do with this?
then I'm considered that the only 5 test cases are passed and 1 test case is failed. Then I will raise this bug in a Azure DevOps tool.
Okay.
Yes, and there uh, then I'm raise this defect.
Okay. Okay. Great. Now, you are slightly different scenario from yesterday. Now, I'm done completely writers to the question. Okay. See, you clearly find that point. It may be the point with plus of micro data. Even if you have specific, even if you go this point, will be invalid so that it's a very in this case. Okay. How do we document this found it also very sure it is 3 years.
So if I'm provide a invalid endpoint, then the it's a past test case. So
The code is there. It's an area disease, but yeah.
yeah, it's a past test cases. Uh,
Eh,
uh,
See, and I'll tell you more. Do you get away with this? See, it's a really step-by-step process that we need to follow as a QA. So what you will do, you create the ingredient of that particular request. Okay, and modify it with the invalid book that we just about. So this is your said. This API should not have any teach because we want it to fix. We should be able to retest it as is using the same request parameters. Okay, and it was taking assertion. So what we can do is the test set of the poster. You can add an assertion that it's faster, UFS status mode there. Where it will fit into let's say that's better. Okay, so this is about you could add a documentation with this particular bug is there. It is a 3 heart rate, sugar and folder rate, right? So you can save it in your master folder. Otherwise, this request doesn't dedicated folder to be by much. There's no bus or iteration videos. This will help you for reading. Yeah. How can you tell me what is the difference between inner joint and outer joint?
oh, see. Inner joint and outer joint.
Yeah, I still have a good question. Inner joint, outer joint. Yeah.
Okay. First of all, joint we are using for fetching the data from multiple tables. Okay. For inner joint, we will fetch the fetch here in inner joint we will fetch the uh, same same rows from 2 or more tables. Uh, Syntax of inner joint is select table name dot select table name 1 comma column name dot table name 2 dot column name 1 inner joint uh, table name 1 from table name 2 on table name 1, uh, uh, column name 1 equal to table name 2, column name. In last line, we will use the primary key of first table and foreign key of the second table. And in a outer joint, there is another word for outer joint. Outer joint.
What's it for over you elaborate?
Difference in inner joint, we will face the common rows from 2 or more tables.
Okay.
And outer joint, I'm not aware of outer.
Okay. No worries. No worries. Right. Can you tell me little different kinds of assertions that you are using also?
Different types of assertions, like first status code, next response time,
Okay.
next solutions, science, and
Words.
um, uh, type of data,
Okay.
and state like fail test, pass test, uh, yes.
Okay, Sarah. And I had the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Okay. uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.